These are the picture of my previous trainees. When I am still in the 203rd Battalion Commander, Philippine Army. This part, I'm here, Colonel Rinaldo Chaplain. This is Colonel Regidor de la Cruz, the group commander, and this one is the Honorable Mayor of Quezon City, Herbert District Bautista. Colonel Gomez, Captain, another Colonel Ahmad, Colonel Soriano. Honorable Mayor Bautista, delivering his special. And beside picture on this is my wife, Sergeant Norma Soriano. And these are my trainees. Here, this picture, I am leading the soldiers to go on road running inside the Quezon City Memorial Circle in Quezon City, in front of Quezon City Hall. Because in every soldier, you could not be utilized as a soldier if your strength is under stress. You must be a good health, model citizen. You can walk long distance, you can run a long distance. That is a soldier. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, Filipinos in abroad and foreign countries, hello. I am Lieutenant Colonel Cosme Ponce Soriano, the former cyclist of the Tour of Luzon. One of the participants is Japanese team, Japan team, the Chinese team, the Korean team came here in the Philippines, and we competed a long distance bicycle. We are riding in one bicycle, each other, jointly in bus race, reaching 235 kilometers from Quezon City to Olongapo, then Olongapo to other regions. We are reaching 200 kilometers in one lap. We participated in a 15-lap Tour of Luzon Biathlon tournament here in the Philippines, and participated also by the Japanese team, Chinese team, and the Korean team. One of the memorable champions in Tour of Luzon Biathlon is Team Hosong. Team Hosong becomes the number 2 man in Tour of Luzon here in the Philippines, whom the Filipino cyclist Edmundo de Guzman in 1985. Yes, 1985. The Koreans placed second. So, I am a former cyclist and a former marathoner, road running in 42 kilometers. At the age of 69, I am already 69 years old, I am still running 42 kilometers. I am planning to participate again the December 2012 Subic B Marathon, focusing on the world road runners will be competing here. Also, the Japanese team will also come here on December 2012, and I am eyeing and plan to be also one of the participants in 42 kilometers international marathon. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, Filipinos and countries, Japan, especially in Japan, Korea, and China.